In this installment of our video series, Doing Your First Data Science Project Using the Titanic Kaggle Dataset, we're continuing in our exploratory data analysis step with the third of the four questions that we laid out, which is examining the distribution of numerical variables amongst the target. And remember, the target, again, that's what we're trying to predict, and that is either whether a passenger on the Titanic survived or not. And so, for this step, we're actually going to be using a very cool Yellowbrick visualizer, parallel coordinates. So parallel coordinates quickly is it's a visualizer that takes that takes the features and plots them evenly along the x-axis, and then takes each instance. So in this case, the features are things like age and sibling, that kind of thing, fare, that kind of thing, and it plots those as vertical axes along the horizontal, evenly spaced, and then it takes the instances, so that is each passenger, and draws a line between each feature, so each vertical axis. So it draws a line between the axes. What this allows data scientists to do is to find clusters. And so we'll see in a second the code block. By the way, this takes a minute to run, so just want to throw that out there. And again, we're looking at the distribution of these features amongst the targets. So there's two targets again, whether the passenger survived or not. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We're going to copy this code block into your notebook. Because it takes a while, I'm just going to, you can copy it. I'm just going to show you what happens. So when you run this is what you get here, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So as we can see, the two targets, not survived and survived, we see all these lines. Each line is an instance. And so again, we have the features along the horizontal axis as vertical. So you have age, you have moving up, sibling, you have passenger, single, like passenger with children and families, and you have fare. And then again, survive, not survive. So we can see, for example, that passengers with more siblings didn't survive. That's the dark blue. And that passengers who paid a higher fare survived at higher rates. So that is the parallel coordinates visualizer from Yellowbrick. Again, it's the visual tool that allows for machine learning to be visualized, which is awesome. And so we're almost done with our EDA phase. We have one more question to look at in the next video. Are the survival rates the same or different amongst the different categories? So again, thank you for watching. Post any comments or questions you have below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.